Hello, my name is Nakia, and I'm with Divine Elements of Design and the Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And if those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. In addition to my weekly YouTube videos and blog posts, I also have a free course titled 5 Days to an Organized Life and Home. In the course of 5 days, you will receive an email from me with tips and suggestions on how to maintain a company-ready home at all times. And also, I recently relaunched my full complete home and life organizational strategies course. Details about the courses will be in the comment section or the description box below. Now, the best part about the full course is it comes with a free Divine Life and Home Planner. Yes, I'm so excited about the planner. You can get it in a 2025 version or an undated version. And once again, all that information will be listed in the description box below. So for this video, we are going to do a review of the Kohler Karing Intelligent Toilet. Yes, I was given this toilet to review, so this is my absolute honest opinions. Is it worth $4,000 or not? Well, let's look at some of the pros of this toilet. So I've had it for about a few weeks now, and I've used basically all of the features. First things first, you will have to make sure you have electricity. So if you don't have a plug, a GCFI plug close enough to the toilet, you will have to call your electrician to install one. It's a very easy fix. Once it's installed, and basically installation is easy, you can have just a regular handyman install it for you. It connects to your water supply, and then also for the electricity you have an outlet. Once installed, as you can see, it has a very sleek design. Everything is automatic. Now, you do have the option for like a manual override. You don't have to use the remote control to lift the toilet lid up or even to flush it. But if you want to do everything that's automatic, you can. So simply when you walk by the toilet, the lid will raise. And that's good. So you don't have to worry about trying to manually lift the lid at any given time. So it will open and it will close. Now the seats are heated, so you can control the heat if you want it heated really warm or just lukewarm. You have that option. Also, one thing I really like about the toilet is once it detects that you're there, it will do sort of like a pre-rinse. So that way you don't have to worry about anything getting stuck on the toilet. So it will do like a little pre-rinse just to make sure that the toilet walls are wet. Afterwards, the toilet flushes itself. So once you get up or once you step away from the toilet, it will automatically flush. But if you want to manually flush it, you can. It has the remote control, which you can hang it on the wall or you can actually just use it. So the base can be added to the wall, but you can actually remove it from the base and just use it. Personally, I think you should just keep it on the wall. That way you don't have to worry about losing it. And it takes standard, I believe it's either AA or AAA batteries. So it's nothing fancy. You don't have to buy those round batteries for it. Now it does have a bidet option. It actually, you can control the temperature of the water. You can control the pressure of the water. You can decide if you want the water to do like a little massage or a spiral. So it does have those interesting features. There is also a sanitize option as well. So you can push the sanitize button and it will sanitize the toilet itself. Also, every 24 hours it does some type of ozone sanitation anyway, so that's automatic. You don't have to do anything for that. It's an interesting toilet. It says it's intelligent, but it's not smart. So when I first got it, I thought maybe it was going to be an app that I would download to my phone, because you're thinking, hey, for $4,000 it should have an app, right? Everything has an app, but it does not have an app. So it's not actually smart, but it is very intelligent. So it can detect you. It does have a light that comes on like at night. So if you want to go to the restroom in the middle of the night, you want to make sure you're not going to trip on anything or fall, you know, it does light up. The lid raises automatically. It goes down automatically. The toilet flush, it has the bidet option. So it is very interesting. It does have a dryer part. So this is something that I think they need to work the bugs out on it, because it does not blow dry enough to dry anything. I mean, you can't do anything, and you can't change the pressure of the air that's being for the blow dry. So that's something I think they still need to work out, or either not even have it. I tried it a couple times, but I think maybe 2 times, and it's just not even worth it. You're still gonna have to use toilet paper, because it's just like, that's all it is. It wouldn't even knock over. It wouldn't even toss like a sheet of toilet paper. That's how light the flow is. It's very sleek. I love the design. It kind of reminds me of like AirPods for some reason. It looks like the AirPod case. I thought it was weird without having a tank, but I guess the tank is in the bottom. So it takes a little bit of getting used to, but you know, I've had mine for several weeks right now, and I'm very used to it. The water, you know, for the bidet, I call it just like a pre-wash. It's nice. Like I say, you can control the temperature, you can control the pressure. It's a good thing. Is it worth $4,000? Well, it's up to you. If you would like to spend $4,000 on a toilet, be my guest. Me personally, $4,000 is not in my budget. So for $4,000, it would need to do a lot more. That blow dryer function would need to be powerful. For $4,000, I shouldn't need toilet paper or paper towels. I mean, it should do everything for me. It should have a rag. It should do everything for $4,000, but it doesn't. But it is nice. I love it. Once I had it installed, I actually ended up just refreshing my bathroom, because I had to have a bathroom that was fit for this $4,000 toilet. So I will put a link to that video where I refreshed my bathroom in the description box, and then you'll see it on in the end card. But it is really a good investment. I think it looks very nice. It's very sleek. It's very modern. It's very, you know, hygienically correct. It's pleasing to the eye. You know, I love all the functions that it has on it. It has a cleaning function. It has a sanitizing function. You don't have to touch it. That's the one thing I like about it. Now the heated seats, I mean, that's something that was totally new to me. You know, sometimes it's winter and it's cold, and you go to the bathroom in the middle of the night, you're like dreading the cold toilet, but this is nice and it's warm and it's heated, so it is really nice. But anywho, if you enjoyed this video or videos like this, please let me know. Leave it in the comment section below. Also, please give this video a thumbs up, and then also subscribe to this channel. And once again, if you're interested in any of the things I mentioned before, they will be in the description box below. Thank you very much, and have a divine day. Goodbye.